this little audio mod that I did is gonna work out or not. Alright, so yeah, y'all let me know what y'all think of how it sounds now. And here we go again. TPS. This thing feels way faster right now because it's so cold out. I'm gonna have to check my wheel bearings on this car. I don't like the way they be sounding. I mean, it could just be these wheels, these tires and stuff, but yeah, man, it be sounding a little sketchy sometimes. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Fun. Oh yeah, TPS. Hold on. Let me recalibrate that real quick. Cause I don't like that. I was trying to be ignorant right now and couldn't. Doing it. I don't know. That's weird. Maybe I broke the car. It do low-key stank. Just want to show y'all real quick. I'm buffing out this paint again. This is actually the first time I used. It's actually the first time I used what you're really supposed to use. And right now I'm cutting it down. It's definitely working. You can see the reflection when the light is off. Look at that. How clear you can see. Look at my sweats. How clear you can see that. What I want to try to do is see if I can make a difference to this here. Alright, so I pretty much did like the whole other side of the car. I didn't do the front bumper. I did like part of it over there, but I didn't finish. I guess I'll just walk around real quick. I did like this part here, And then I was like, man, I'm wasting my time because this bumper look trash. I don't know, I guess I could just go ahead and finish it because it actually do look different right here in this corner. And it does over here. It looks a lot more dull. Alright, got it outside now. And you can see a lot better now. The results. It looks good. Only thing is, this hood is ugly too. This hood still gotta go. But I guess it do. At first I was thinking this side didn't look as good, but it actually does. Alright y'all, so either this polish is the truth, or this is not gonna stay like this. But look at the roof. This little section right here I did. And y'all know what it normally look like. Look at that. How trash that look. And I just went ahead and did this because I was doing this top part right here, and I was like, dang, that came out really good. It came out really good right here. And then I was like, let me see what happens if I do the roof. And shoot, I don't know, that's crazy. I think it probably ain't gonna stay like this, but low-key it feels a lot better to the touch too. So I'm like, you know what, I'm just go ahead and finish the whole thing, and if it stays like this, that's dope, and if it don't, then oh well, it was already trash. I'm pretty sure this ain't gonna stay like this forever. This side did come out better. The other side didn't come out as good. This side came out a whole lot better, but as long as the car looked better, dude, I don't care. And honestly, it's not like a huge eyesore no more when you look at the roof of the car. Like, it don't look that bad now. Like before, you look at the roof and it'd be an immediate eyesore. You can see it from a mile away. Now you kind of gotta get up on it and see like, oh yeah, it looks trash right here. But honestly, it's probably gonna get like all white and crusty again anyway, so it really don't matter. Like, I did this spot right here yesterday. I probably could have did it more, but it's already looking all crusty. Everything else still looks good though, but you know how it goes when you really just BSing and it needs to be repainted, but you just trying to make it last longer. That's pretty much all I'm doing. And I still haven't touched this back bumper. Honestly, I don't think I need to. This back bumper looks great, but I do think it'll probably look better if I do. Almost forgot to record it out here. Heck, clear. Look at the roof though. That crap really look way better. That's crazy. Trunk look alright. This car stank right now. This side looks a lot better. Yeah, you can see right here on this side, the roof didn't come out as good. But like I said, it does look a lot better, so it's all good.